manipulative. Piers Morgan fiercely exposed the terrible plot behind Meghan's court victory. Piers Morgan has hit back at Meghan Markle, mocking her for impersonating some kind of latter-day Winston Churchill rallying a nation in wartime, rather than an unemployed actress fleecing her unelected marital royal status for gazillions from her California mansion. Piers Morgan has viciously lashed out at Meghan Markle following her court victory earlier today, branding her a fork-tongued devious manipulative piece of work. The Duchess of Sussex won her bombshell legal battle with the publisher over a letter to her estranged father. She hailed it as a victory not just for me, but for anyone who has ever felt scared to stand up for what's right, in a powerful statement afterwards. The Duchess had won her case earlier this year, but the publisher brought an appeal, arguing in a 3-day hearing in November that the case should go to a full trial. Throughout the privacy case there had been a number of bombshell moments, from the news that Meghan drafted the letter to her dad knowing that it could be leaked, to claims that she and Harry did help the authors of Finding Freedom. However, Piers has hit back at Meghan, mocking her for impersonating some kind of latter-day Winston Churchill rallying a nation in wartime, rather than an unemployed actress fleecing her unelected marital royal status for gazillions from her California mansion. In his column in the Mail, Piers refers to the claim that Meghan had called her father Thomas Markle daddy in the letter to pull on heartstrings if it were to be leaked. Jason Knauf, who was communications secretary to Meghan and Harry until March 2019, said the Duchess had indicated to him in August of the previous year that she recognized it was possible that her father would make the letter public. Mr. Knauf said in his written evidence, she also asked a specific question regarding addressing Mr. Markle as daddy in the letter, saying, "Given I've only ever called him daddy, it may make sense to open as such, despite him being less than paternal, and in the unfortunate event that it leaked it would pull at the heartstrings." Piers says, "I regret to say that when I read that ruthlessly cynical little gem, my heartstrings remained resolutely unmoved, but a small piece of repulsed intestinal fluid spat out of my mouth." The Duchess of Sussex appeared on Ellen DeGeneres a few weeks back for a sit-down interview that posed no harm to the royal family. Meghan Markle repositioned herself on the show as she could be seen talking about her new life in California. A royal expert has claimed the Duchess is dreaming of her own talk show where she can talk about the issues she cares with her favorite guests. The host said, "That's right, well, she recently did Ellen's talk show and that's kind of apparently put that little seed in her mind that maybe she could do her talk show. Give her the chance to kind of spruik the issues she cares about, speak to the people she wants to do now, this is all." According to who apparently say there's even a name for this TV show in the works, which is Tea with Duchess Meghan. Oh. There you go, what do you guys think? Do you reckon? Jessica Rowe, host, said, she could hold her own on a talk show as long as she gets her guests to spill the tea. Meghan Markle's interview with Ellen DeGeneres was aired on November 18, who is her next-door neighbor in Montecito, California. It is believed, as discussed on the chat, that the two are good friends. Meghan Markle's interview on Ellen DeGeneres focused on her pre-royal struggling days, her kids' relationship, and life after settling in LA with Prince Harry and her 2 kids Archie and Lilibet. However, Meghan's father Thomas Markle Sr. has condemned her appearance on the chat show, who thinks she has humiliated the royal title and her family back in the UK. "The whole thing was kind of embarrassing. It was certainly embarrassing for the royal family. It's embarrassing for her as well. I suspect it embarrassed everyone in the UK, too.